we need a very, very fluid cream. In this case, I have chosen a regular moisturizer, and what we are going to do is apply it from the ankle to the knee, making upward strokes. We apply gentle pressure and finish just behind the knee, making a small pinch in the popliteal fossa. We try to cover as much of the calf as we can with our hands and make gentle, slow strokes upward. If you notice a little more edema or swelling in the ankle area, it's a bit more. But everything has to be very gentle pressures. A caress a little strong to release the tension we may have in the calf. With our hands, we are going to apply a slightly greater pressure between the two calves. What I am doing is pressing a little in the back area. We will apply each technique for a couple of minutes. Now we will knead with the hand from bottom to top, massaging the entire muscular belly. We can do it with one hand if our hand already covers the calf's root. Or combining. Kneading with small pinches, but they have to be very pleasant. I'm picking up and kneading. We can also massage with both palms of the hand. Alternating. Making a zigzag by squeezing with both hands. And I can combine it with the previous techniques. Now, what we are going to do is a knuckling massage. What we do is knead the entire muscle root from the pinky to the index finger. You see it slow, that would be that movement. We're going to stretch the leg and make very gentle strokes in the popliteal fossa. What we are doing is a drag. Emptying that highly vascularized area. Now we go to the sole of the foot, and we're going to hold it, stretching the toes. In this way, we're going to caress the sole, massaging well from the toe area downwards to the heel. Now we release the toes a little, leaving them relaxed. I'm not pulling anymore, and we are going to do the same knuckling massage as before. Pinky to index finger. Pinky to there, gently massaging the entire plantar area. And in these exercises the same, a couple of minutes. To finish, we're going to stretch the calf. We're going to bring the toe towards us, the knee extended. And we are going to bring our straight trunk towards that ankle. We hold it there for 15 to 20 seconds. And that's it. This would be the massage to relax the calf area, for when you have that feeling of heaviness and discomfort in the legs.